When it comes to cooking and baking, precision is key, and that's where a reliable set of measuring cups makes all the difference. To help you out, we've rounded up the best 5 measuring cups that combine durability, functionality, and convenience, making them must-have tools for every kitchen. Number 5. Anchor Hocking Glass Measuring Cups, 4-piece set, 5 ounce, 1 cup, 2 cup, 4 cup liquid measuring cups. About this item, includes, this set contains, 1. 5 ounce glass measuring glass, 1 cup glass measuring cup, 1 2 cup glass measuring cup, and 1 4 cup glass measuring cup. Anchor Hocking's signature spout facilitates clean pouring to reduce messes and ensure precise measurements. Durable and versatile use, the larger measuring cups, 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup, are designed for melting. Number 4. Pyrex 4-cup glass measuring cup for baking and cooking, dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe, essential kitchen tools. About this item, essential kitchen tool, 4-cup measuring cups that are perfect for baking, cooking, mixing and more, easy to read, featuring bold and large measurements in both ounces and milliliters, making this effortless to read. High-quality glass. Non-porous glass is BPA-free, non-toxic and won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains. Number 3. Pyrex Essentials, 3-pack, glass measuring cup set, 1, 2 4-cup, measuring cups for prepping, baking and cooking, preheated oven, dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. About this item, 3-piece, includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup measuring cups that are perfect for baking, cooking, mixing and more. Dimensions for 1 cup, 6 foot, diameter x 4.5, high. Dimensions for 2 cup, 6.5 foot, diameter x 4.5, high. Dimensions for 4 cup, 8 foot, diameter x 6, high, easy to read, featuring bold and large measure. Number 2. Tylux Stainless Steel Measuring Cup Spoon Set, cups and spoons, kitchen gadgets for cooking, baking, 10. About this item, multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material, the measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel. 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements. Number 1. Pyrex Essentials, 2-pack, glass measuring cup set, 1 2-cup, measuring cups for prepping, baking and cooking, preheated oven, dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. About this item, essential kitchen tool, 2-piece set, includes 1 cup and 2 cup, measuring cups that are perfect for baking, cooking, mixing and more, easy to read, featuring bold and large measurements in both ounces and milliliters, making this effortless to read. High-quality glass, non-porous glass is BPA-free, non-toxic.